Want to post football edits without getting copyright strikes? I'll break it down right now, step by step, no fluff. First, never upload full highlights. YouTube will kill your video. Keep clips under 7 to 10 seconds. That's the sweet spot. And if you want to show the same goal again, don't just replay it. Chop it into smaller cuts, switch the angle or zoom in. It tricks the system and keeps your edit moving fast. Raw broadcast footage gets flagged instantly. You have to make it your edit. Add zoom in, slow motion, speed ramps, color grading, overlays, or text. Even something simple like adding subtitles or motion blur changes how the system sees the clip. The more original it looks, the safer you are. TV logos and scoreboards are like red flags for YouTube. If the system sees them clearly, you're done. So blur them, crop them out, or zoom in slightly. Even a tiny shift in framing can save your video from detection. Ovlot. This one gets most people. You can't just throw Drake or Travis Scott over your edits. That's a guaranteed copyright claim. Use free tracks from YouTube's audio library or save paid sites like Epidemic Sound. If you want trending songs, remix them. Speed them up, slow them down, pitch shift. That way you keep the vibe without risking a strike. Don't rely on one clean broadcast angle. That's easy to detect. Instead, mix it up. Show a replay angle, a fan cam, training footage, even a celebration shot. The more variety in your edit, the harder it is for the system to match it to copyrighted content. Don't leave raw cuts. That's boring and risky. Use transitions, flashes, wipes, speed ramps, even subtle zooms. Add motion graphics like text pop-ups, arrows, or overlays. Every single edit you add makes your video harder to flag, and it makes your content look cleaner too. Noticeably, one last thing, don't spam full games. Don't upload extended highlights. Don't just rip Sky Sports or La Liga TV. YouTube will shut your channel down. Always post as if you're creating something new. If your video looks like a copy paste, it's gone. Simple as that. So yeah, keep clips short, always edit your footage, blur logos, use safe music, mix angles, add motion graphics, and post smart. Do all that, and you'll avoid copyright strikes while still making sick football edits. And if you want to take your edits to the next level, I actually made a full course where I show you everything: how to edit, grow your channel, and even where to get all the clips. You can check it out right now at the link in the description. Trust me, if you're serious about editing football content, this will save you a ton of time.